Hello friends, welcome to the session. In this session, we'll be discussing about how to create tables in a web page. In this session, we will see what are the tabs that are available with the help of which we can create a structure like a table in the web page. We will see what are the different attributes that are available with this tag also. Friends, as you know that you are viewing this session on my YouTube channel, and you can subscribe to the channel so that you can watch many other educational videos on the various topics of the subjects of electronics and computer science. So let us start the session regarding how to create a table in the HTML web page. So friends, whenever we create any web page, then frequently we need to arrange the data on the web page in a specific format. We need to arrange the data in the table format. And whenever we want to arrange the data in the table format, instead of a paragraph or instead of a block level structure, then we can make the use of the table tags in the HTML web page. So frequently, suppose you have been given marks of the student, and now you want to display the result along with the name and marks scored by the student. Then it is always better to display such data in the table form. Or say, for example, you have to display the weather report consisting of the city name and the weather attributes. Then such data can also be properly displayed in table forms only. So with the tables, you can represent the data in an organized fashion. We know that the table consists of rows and columns. So the advantage of displaying the data in the form of a table is that it is easier to read. Instead of giving such data in paragraphs, you will find that if it is displayed in the form of a table, then people can easily read it and can easily understand it. So in HTML, there is a tag called as the table tag. And with the help of this table tag, it is possible that you can create the table in the HTML web page. So this is a start tag and this is the end tag. So we can make the use of these tags in order to create a table. So there are different formatting options as far as the table is concerned. Say, for example, you can decide the width of the table. You can decide the alignment of the entire table. You can decide what can be the border, cell border, or what can be the table border. You can decide the spacing between each neighboring cell. And also, it is possible of using padding within a cell. So there are different attributes available with this tag, and we can make the use of these attributes such as width, align, border, cell spacing, cell padding, and we can display the data in proper format in the table. So the align attribute can be used like this. In the table tag, you can write align is equal to left, so the table will be aligned to the left side of the web page. You can make the use align is equal to center, so that the table will be displayed in the center of the web page. You can use align is equal to right, so that the table will be displayed on the right hand side. So it will specify the horizontal alignment of the table. The width of the table can be specified like this. Width is equal to 50%. That is the percentage of the windows. Or you can write it equal to 100%, so that the all width will be assigned to the table. The border attribute can be used such as border is equal to 1, or whenever you want to have a no border, then you can write it as a 0. You can create more space in between each cell in the table by making the use of the cell spacing. So table cell spacing is equal to 50, which will set the cell spacing equal to 50 pixel. You can increase the amount of the space in between the cell border and the cell data by using the cell padding. And for this, you can write table spacing or table cell padding is equal to 1. all the attributes of the table can be put together. So whenever you write a table tag, then whatever the required attributes are there, all such attributes can be incorporated within the table tag itself. Align is equal to center, width is equal to 50%, border is equal to 5, cell spacing is equal to 10, and you can put cell padding is equal to 5. There is another tag that is being used with the table, and that is the caption tag. So this is the tag that is used to create a caption on the top of or below the table. It requires the caption start tag and caption end tag, and it can also be used with the align attribute. For example, whenever you want to give any caption to the table, then in that case, you can make the use of this tag. Caption align is equal to top, yesterday's weather, end of caption. So caption will be displayed outside the table border. There is a tr tag, and this tag is a row tag. So the start tag is tr, end tag is /tr. So it will create the horizontal row of the cells and contains the table headings and table data. So each use of the table row element begins with the new table row. So every time whenever you want to create a row, then you have to make the use of a separate table row tag. So table row tag can also include different attributes such as background color, align, vertical align. So background color, BG color will determine the background color of the row. So a row must contain at least one table data element or table heading element. Then there is a data tag. So whenever you want to display the values in the rows and columns, then you can make the use of this table data tag. So the start tag is td, end tag is /td. So it will create each individual cell, and the number of cells in the row determines the number of columns. So there is another tag that is a heading tag th. So again, there is a start tag th, end tag /th. So it will create the heading. Also, you can include the align attributes for all such tags, that is tr, td, and th. So align can be left, center, or right. By default, the align is always equal to left. You can also specify the vertical alignment by v-align. So v-align is equal to top, or you can make use of as middle, or you can make use of bottom or baseline. So the default value for the vertical align is the middle. And the table can be colored also. You can make a colorful table by using the background color. So this is a simple HTML program that is being used for creation of the table. So this is a title table. Then here we have displayed with caption, yesterday's weather, then the city, then the high, low, and wind. So yesterday's weather is outside the table caption. Then there are headings such as city, high, low, wind. And then we have displayed the names of the cities. And in every row, what we have done is that we have distributed certain values. So TD Aurangabad, then TD 30, 20, and South. Then we are making the use of end of TD, end of TR. Then again TR, table row, TD, Jalna, 32, 21, South. So in this way, for every row, you have to make the use of TR tag. And for every data value, you have to make the use of TD tag. So in this way, you can go on creating each row in the table. And finally, we will make an end to the table, end of the body of the HTML page, and end of the HTML page itself. So when you type and save this program by using any editor, and then in the browser, when you give the appropriate path of this program will get executed, and you will find that such table data will be displayed on the screen. So thank you, friends, for viewing the session. Hopefully you have understood how to create a table in the HTML web page.